Getting ready to change a low beam bulb. I'm going to use the Silver Star Sylvania. Going to replace it for my Elantra 2009. Make sure you're wearing rubber gloves to make sure you don't get anything on the bulb, as it could ruin the bulb if it gets too hot. Your high beam's down here, your low beam's here, and then all the way up here is your blinker. So I'm going to replace the low beam, which is most commonly replaced. When you take the bulb out, you want to make sure that you're rotating again counterclockwise. It'll pop out. It sits in these grooves at the bottom and it slips in. I probably advise you to do is take the bulb out and then take it up to the store with you to make sure it matches the clip. And it should slide into the grooves, and you'll feel it go in. It'll even out. Oh, I just felt it. Now I'm going to rotate towards the bottom, and then it should plug itself back in. You got to make sure that these grooves slide right back in. There we go. You got to apply a little pressure until you feel the grooves go in. Oh, and I heard it snap, so I know that one's in. Okay. When you're done, make sure you take the cap, put it back on, and then go ahead and tie it, righty-tighty, easy as pie. Okay, the bulb's been installed. The last thing you want to do is make sure it turns on. Make sure you have both lights on. I replaced both. I recommend that you do both at the same time. At least in my experience, I find that the bulb typically dies within a week or two apart, so I just went ahead and bought a double pack and replaced both. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you out.